Good morning, Linton Hall PE students. This game here is called Unlock My Phone. So what you're going to have are plates that have numbers on them for every digit on your phone. You're going to lay it out just like your phone. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 0 would be at the bottom. And what we're going to do is on the computer screen there is, and I'll post all the times and numbers, the combination that you have to unlock that'll come up on the screen. So what you'll have is the first level is 10 seconds between each number, and when the number is posted on the computer screen like this, it's going to rotate either depending on your level. Every 10 seconds it's going to change, and you have to tap the numbers and then return back to 0 with your feet before the next number is posted. Level 2 is 7 seconds between each one. Level 3 is 5 seconds between each number, and so on and so forth. So you want to challenge yourself to move up in levels, which means shorter intervals between the numbers that they switch. There are 30 combinations. So I'm going to just go through about 10, and you'll see how this works here with the screen. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 8, 4. Whoops. So on and so forth. Now that was level 3, which is 5 seconds. As the levels go up, it's harder and faster. Always return with your feet between the letter 0 before you start again. And have fun. Good luck.